Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could download the Windows 11 ISO file. To do that, simply open your browser and type Windows 11 and type also download if you want and hit enter in your browser. The next step, we will search for the result or for the website www.microsoft.com, and here we have the official one. You will find the link in the video description. Next step, we will scroll down to the bottom. Make sure that you are on the same page. And here we will just scroll down to the bottom. And here you will see download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Click select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. And here you can always read before you start to choose between 64-bit, but I leave it just by default and I go to download. The system will validate your request and you will have to scroll down to the bottom again. Select the product language. For now, I will select English, United States, and I will click confirm. It will take a few seconds again for the system to validate my request. And here I have the option to download 64-bit. I will click on this one. Here you will have to choose where you want it to be saved. So I want it to be saved in my USB key. So I will select Save As. I will select the location, which is my USB key. I will just select everything to be deleted. Make sure that you have enough space or storage to save in. So here I will just make sure to delete everything from my USB before proceeding. Next step, I will click Save, and I will let the system take care of it. As you can see, when I click on the download file, here I see Windows 11, and it's being downloaded with the extension .iso. So once the download is over, you can go ahead and close your browser. It took from me about 20 minutes to finish the download. However, downloading this ISO file might take less if your internet is faster. You can always go and check in the location where you have saved it. I have saved it here, and here I can see that I have it ready, this image file or ISO file. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us an email or leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.